Good morning, afternoon, May the 27th, I think it is. Was it 27th? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? Yeah, 27th we'll go with. This is about the most bizarre parking I've ever seen. I don't even know how she's going to get past us. You've got a skip, I think. Look at this. It's absolutely bizarre. How on earth is he going to do this? Let's see if we can find out. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's almost like there's been an accident. That's what it looks like. It's absolutely bizarre. Go on, Ush, see what you can do. Absolutely, find the way. Another plate there. You can't say this is normal. And then stay there. Then there's a car there and a car there. How bizarre. There and there. And then this one's alright. Unbelievable. We'll have a bit of that, Ush. And now they're all going to go, presumably. Yeah, I don't believe it. It's unbelievable. Yeah, I've already got your number plates, dudes. That's absolutely amazing. Really easy to get across here. Come on, go. That is just incredible. So Usher had a lot of trouble there, right into the road. He saw what we had to do. So yeah, absolutely bizarre. Forward. See you all later.